What's that? Go see the choo-choo train. Go see the train. Oh, look at the choo-choo train. Go see. What is that? What is it? Yeah. Daddy's choo-choo train.
That's really cool.
Oh, it's running really good.
Yeah. Maybe Smooch. Wow. Well, this hasn't run probably in more than 50 years. I'm thinking about it because I don't think I hooked it up that much before we moved from Walpole.
And this is that, right?
Yeah, that's it. I seem to remember that smell too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so what's the date today? November 23rd, 2013. We already have our tree set up. No decorations yet though. It's not even Thanksgiving yet, and we have our electric train that I got for Christmas. I think it was, Mom and Dad would have to correct me on this, but probably around the same year that Jackie was born, 1965. And I don't think it's run since probably around 1970. I think was probably the last time I ran this. We moved from Walpole and moved to Connecticut. And I don't think it has been set up ever in Connecticut. So 70 to 2013 is how many years? Is that 40-something years? Yeah, it's 43 years. Yeah, so 43.